Let's tackle the normal loan. So once you apply for the normal loan, your form will be kept until the credit committee sits and they will come and do the evaluation. In evaluating, what do they look at? Number one, they will look at, have you been guaranteed? If the requirement is that if your multiplier is 2 or 3 times, then the full loan must be guaranteed. So the loan can be guaranteed by only one person, only 2 people, or as many people as possible, but as long as the full loan is fully guaranteed. Let's take an example of a loan multiplier of 3 times. You have saved 100,000 and therefore you're borrowing 300,000. So you have guaranteed yourself the first 100,000. The 200,000, all of it can be guaranteed by one person. If their deposit in the Sacco is 200,000, then that person can sign for you the 200,000, you qualify for a loan. The 200,000 can be guaranteed by 2 people, each person guaranteeing you 100,000, 100,000. So 200,000 from your 2 guarantors plus your 200,000, you have the full loan fully guaranteed. This 200 can be guaranteed by 10 people, each person guaranteeing you 20,000, 20,000, 20,000, 20,000. So essentially, the full loan must be guaranteed. And this person that is guaranteeing you must be aware that in the event that you fail to pay the loan, whatever amount they have guaranteed you will be taken to go and pay your loan. And that is now the catch in the Sacco loans. That is why a lot of people complain, me, I don't want Saccos because I don't have friends who can guarantee me, or I don't want to be in a Sacco because I don't want ever to guarantee somebody. I have had a lot of cries from people who guaranteed their friends' loans and then something happened. Either the friend wasn't able to pay the loan or something just happened and then their shares ended up being taken. So what's my caution here? My caution here is you cannot say you will not guarantee somebody a loan, because when you want to borrow a loan, you will also need to be guaranteed. Therefore, it is good to guarantee somebody, but always make sure the amount you are guaranteeing someone is that amount which, number one, even if they fail to pay, and that amount is taken by the Sacco to repay that loan, it will not hurt you. Number two, this person that you are guaranteeing, make sure it is somebody you know so well that even if they are not able to pay, and you were called to pay for them but through the amount that you have guaranteed, this is somebody you can either let go with that money, or this is somebody that you know how you can follow them to be able to pay. Because when they don't pay, the committee will first go look for that person. If they can't get them, then your shares will be taken. So make sure you guarantee people that you know where to get them in case they are not able to pay, or there are people that you know, even if I can't get them, I don't mind losing that money or that money going towards repaying the loan. So that is the basis. And that is the biggest issue that I find with a lot of Saccos. Many people join the Sacco, they do not have friends that can guarantee them, and therefore when they want to take a loan, they have a problem. Other people guarantee people they don't know, and so that person, when they are not able to pay for the loan, their shares are taken, then they start complaining, this Sacco mistreated me and all that. You need to understand, when you guarantee somebody, you are actually giving that money. That money will be held until that person completes paying the loan. So what are we saying? We are saying that the amount that you borrow as a loan is people's money. Somebody has guaranteed you. So unless you don't have good motives, make sure when you borrow the loan, try as much as possible to finish paying that loan. Unless something really, really bad happens, make sure you borrow the loan and you pay so that you can release your guarantors, so that tomorrow when you want to borrow again, then people will be happy to guarantee you.